How to invest in a Sushi Master restaurant chain. After filling out the registration form, confirm your registration by email. In your personal account, to the Partners Account tab, then to the All Lots tab. Select any available lot for investment. On the tab Lot Object, you can see the current price for this lot. It will change over time. Then click the Buy button. If this is the first purchase, then leave everything by default and make a transfer by selecting any of the payment platforms with a simple form to fill in. After paying for the lot, you will see your purchase on the My Deals tab. Then log into your wallet using your password during registration and check your transaction history. Select the list of operations in the main wallet. In this list, you will see the line for adding money to your wallet and the line for purchasing a lot. Only after purchasing any lot, you can activate the distributor's account. Make a payment of $38 the same way you paid for the purchase of the lot. After that, you will have access to a referral link and the opportunity to earn income from building a network, as well as you will get access to bonus programs. Follow the company's news and invest in a growing business. This translation was created using artificial intelligence and is being developed by DIGI-U. You can also consider an investment offer from this company by clicking on the link below the video. Registration code 18526366617. Thanks.